Look, she's kicking me, guys. How mean she is. She's so mean. Lalaking pusa, guys. Kalalaki mong pusa. Humihiga ka ng ganun. No, no.
Tagalos.
Log.
Bisaya.
Tignan nyo, yung bridge is andun, oh.
Good morning, Philippines!
Bisita sa DFA itong ambassador na ito. Bakit mo sasabihin mo na reward kaya kasama yung mga cabinet secretary dahil reward?
Hi guys, good morning. Ngayon guys, nagre-ready lang ako. Hindi ako naliligo pero nag-half bath ako. Hindi ko binasa tong buhok ko guys, nabasa yung nabasa yung dito. But anyway, kasi mahirap nabasain yung buhok ko palagi kasi yung sobrang dry na, sobrang dry yung buhok ko. So, nag-ano lang ako ng counting foundation. And aalis tayo dito mga 9:30. 9 something. And hindi pa ako kumakain ng breakfast. Alam nyo, nag-half bath ako, nagsha-shower. And, masaya pala guys, yung parang magyaw-yaw ka ba sa CR ba? Yung, wala kang ginagawa, kundi magyaw-yaw ka. Yung parang, for example, like kanina, nagyaw-yaw ko sa bathroom. Masarap yung feeling ka parang magsasalita ka ba na ikaw lang mag-isa, para kang buang. Sabihin mo, wala man dahil ko sa Bisaya pa balo. Wala man dahil ko panglugo diri. Sayang sa man useless lang itong panglug. Ligo-ligo diri may panglugod. Kasi gusto ko kasi yung mga yung tawag nito yung tawag nito, may tawag yan guys. Washcloth, labakara ba? Labakara. Ano nangyari sa ko? But anyway, so yaw-yaw kayo CR guys. I-try ninyo guys, parang mag-yaw-yaw ka ba CR, magsalita ka na ikaw lang isa ba, parang matawa ka sarili mo guys. Gawin ninyo yan guys. Release ba? Pang-release sa mga demonyo. Anyway guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday. Trabaho si Tami ngayon and then punta ako sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami. Doon bantayan natin yung ugangan natin. And yun. Yun lang naman guys. Hindi pala, dapat pala ito isaksak. Hold on. Anuhin ko lang tong ginagawa ko ha. Tingnan natin. Fast forward tayo. Anyway guys, hi, andito ko. Kakain lang tayo guys kasi 8 o'clock na. Tawagan ko lang din yung sister ko. And yun. Ay, din ako, magbaon ako ng fried rice kasi wala silang rice dun. So, I have to baon-baon the fried rice. And yun. Kain tayo. Misty Move. Tinig lang, I know mama's leaving again. I know, mama's leaving again. Pinodoy na. Hindi pa nga ako nakapag-cut ng grass. Bukas na ako mag-cut kasi hindi ako makauwi dito early. At saka parang din ngayon, sobrang basa pa. So, bukas na. Papa is playing the cricket. Ay, nanibago ako. Yung asawa ko hindi tumawag. Hindi talaga siya tumawag guys. Usually tumawag siya sobrang aga yung tumawag na yung taong yun. Pero ngayon hindi talaga siya tumawag. Coffee is done. I don't know, ilang weeks. Hindi ako makapagtrabaho ng maayos, guys. I think dalhin ko yung laptop ko, I think. Or hindi na. Hindi ko alam. Yun guys, alis na tayo guys. Kasi, ano na, baka gising na yung biyanan ko. And, iniwan daw ng kapatid ko, pumunta siya sa trabaho, tulog pa daw. So, be a good girl, okay? I'll be right back. I know it sucks. I know. I will be right back. Ano, nagdala ako ng pagkain, lunch ko doon. Or lunch namin ni Biyanan. Mag-share na lang kami nito. Nagtapon din ako ng basura kanina. Early kasi may basura bukas, diba? Basura bukas. Move the chick. Hindi tumawag si Tami sa akin. So, tinext ko siya. Then, tinawagan niya ako. Na busy daw siya. Sobrang busy sa trabaho. Guys, I told my mother-in-law to start kicking me. Can you kick me?
Can I kick you?
Yeah, try to kick me. She really is gonna kick me, guys.
Think I'm a horrible person kicking you.
Yeah, if you can move your legs into my knee. Are you okay? You can turn. Look at guys, he's gonna kick me, guys. Look at that. Try to. You touched my knee. You did. Look. Look, she's kicking me, guys. How mean she is. She's so mean. Look at that, she's kicking me.
She's been a bad girl.
Yes. She doesn't like me now. She's kicking me. Look.
They're gonna bully you.
No, they don't. So you really can move your legs.
Yeah.
You can move because my knee is higher.
Yeah.
So you can move it, but you just keep doing it. You're good to go. You keep doing it.
Well, it's first.
So if you want to tell me something, and then if I don't listen to you,
I can
kick.
kick you.
Oh yeah, kick me. It's okay. I give you permission. Kick me wherever, in my butt. Let's see if you can reach my butt. I think you cannot reach my butt.
Probably fall before I reach.
Yeah. That's funny. So we're just watching a news. Mom is just keep watching outside.
Yeah.
Because there's no sun. No sun whatsoever.
None. The sky is white, absolutely white.
Yeah. It's cloudy. That's a cloud. And it's gonna rain later. I just heard the news.
Oh.
It's going to rain.
Oh.
It's like stormy again.
Oh. One of those ugly days.
Yeah.
It would be nice if we could sit outside and
That's what I was planning if it's a nice day, but it's not.
yeah,
Because it's nice to sit out there, you know.
it is. I love to sit out there, get a little sun.
The sun and
You
the
can
bird.
have lunch out there.
Yeah.
You can watch the birds and
yeah.
you know you can see the cats and then running around.
Freddy,
Yeah,
the cat.
they go outside and
Lalaking pusa, guys. Kalalaki mong pusa. Humihiga ka ng ganun. Ha, Freddy? Freddy na baby. Baby Freddy. Hi, baby. You're a good boy and a pretty boy. You are a pretty boy. Yes, you are a pretty boy. Yes, you are. Ay, kahimos na lang yun sa baby. Kahimos. Kusi ang ulo, kusi ang ulo. Himos man na, eh. Somebody's calling me. Look at this face, my Andrea's face. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Crazy person. What are you doing?
Yes, finish having lunch. Mom's having, she doesn't finish her lunch. Oh, it's Isabel. It's Tammy.
yeah, that's what I was looking for.
A week? Yes. Have to get the house ready. Oh my gosh.
Tammy, hold on, Tammy.
You can find
Okay,
a
okay.
provider to come in and do all
Hello?
Hello.
the jobs you don't want it.
Ang cute ng dalawa, oh. Lalaki yan, guys, si Freddy at saka si Zoe. Yun, babae. Ito
Yeah.
sobrang soft yung hair niya. Ito naman sobrang rough yung hair niya. Oily. Yan. Ang taba-taba nila. Diba? Mas mataba yun ito. Mas mataba ito si Freddy. Ito, taba din pero okay lang. Regular size man yan. Ito sobrang taba. So, ang cute ni Freddy. Ay, cute. Look at it. Ang cute. Freddy. Fred. No, Fred. Hi, Fred. No. Katulugon man, oy. Sleepy, Freddy.
Yeah.
So cute.
God no.
Oh, me and him? Yeah, guys, pumunta, kakaalis lang ng guys, ng therapy ng biyenan ko. And he's Filipino. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
He's Filipino.
Oh.
No, I said he is Filipino, your therapist.
No, he is Filipino. Yeah.
Yeah, I said, yeah, he is
Yeah.
Filipino. Galing talaga ako sa Surigao, guys, and then nag-stay ako, as in doon ako talaga sa Cebu matagal.
Oh, so you
So-
have something in common.
Yeah. In common, we're Filipino.
Yeah.
And we speak the same dialect.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now that's the language there.
Because in the Philippines, we have like, I don't know, many dialects. That means different languages. So the international language, or the national language, it's Tagalog. Tagalog. Say it.
Yeah, Tagalog.
Ta. T.
Oh, T.
Yeah.
Tagalog.
Log.
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 Talago.
Tagalog.
Talagos. That's what I said.
No. Tagalog.
Oh, Tagalos. Oh, Tagalog.
Yeah.
Without the S. Okay.
Yeah. G in the end. Tagalog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And my dialect, that's the national language. Like everybody speak, everybody know how to say it. Speak Tagalog. Like Ate Claire, she's Tagalog.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Me, I know how to speak Tagalog because that's our national language. But I have my own dialect.
Oh, Bisaya.
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 If you say it quickly, Bisaya. Say it, Bisaya.
Yeah.
See that she cannot say. You can't say it, right? It's hard to say it.
Yes.
It's hard for you to say it.
Yeah, and quickly,
Yeah.
Bisaya.
Yeah. See it, Mom. Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Okay. That's my dialect.
That's
And plus, there is more dialect. There's more languages, like 100 plus or more than 100 dialects.
really.
Yeah. Guys na ako, guys. Tignan nyo, gustong lumabas. Kasi sila outside cat. Yan. See you tomorrow, Mom.
See you tomorrow, dear. Thank you.
Yeah. Yan. Maulan-ulan.
I wanna steal your attention like a bad outlaw. I wanna stand out and cry for you. A man of a man.
Hi guys, okay guys, pauwi na tayo guys, and I will see you who umuulan, at saka may storm mamaya, so yun, may storm. And yun, I'm going to drive careful and see you on. Lang tayo, I'm just going to listen some music. Traffic guys, tignan nyo, yung bridge is andun, traffic guys, as in. Usually, kapag ganitong oras, or ibang oras, hindi, siya, okay siya. Pero ngayon, sobrang traffic talaga. Kita nyo yung bridge, ito siya. Oh, yun. Diyan. Diyan ako patungo. Ang traffic, grabe. Yun. Ay. Yan. I'm so in love with you. Somebody did this. Somebody did something. Nagtago ng mga kinahak. Who did something? Stupid. Roxy ba? Who did? Where is the silupin? Where is the silupin? Who did this here? Come here. Who did this? Come here. Come here, right here. Nagtago ng mga buwang, oh. Who did this here? Come here, right here. Who did it? Tago na, tago. Tago, Rox. Tago, Jude. Who did this? Come over here. Come over here. Who did this here? Come here. Come here. Who did this? Who did this, huh? Who did this here? Come here, Roxy. Who did this thing here? Come, let's go, Pipi. Come, let's go. Let's go. Come, let's go. Naku talaga itong si Roxy. Buang-buang man jud ka ba naman kay gamay-gamay-gamay. Dako di ay ni dako. Tanawar ko di. Tanawar ko na. Who's na dako? Who's na dako? Who is na dako? Di man mangihi kung dili ko mo magpabasa pud, magpaulan. Kinahanglan magpaulan sad ko para mangihi mo. Wa mo na kiyapi. Nabasa na ko. Tanawa, tingnan no. Nababasa na ako, huh? Take off your paw. Take off your paw. It's wet. Take off your paw. Cut your paw. I want you to cut your paw. Cut your paw. Tignan yung bayhon, Roxy. Cut your paw. Basa yung paw mo. Popo na popo. Popo na popo. I want you to cut your paw. Roxy? Misty? Cut your paw. Basa, basa, ulan. Si Mai sabi pa niya, mama kay gamay. Mama kay gamay. Kasama sa may daki. Hindi ko nakakadis. Pagkakit na lang sa baby. Okay, pagkainin ko muna kayo. Okay, anong mahadlok man mo? Anong mahadlok man mo muingon ko nga who did this? Ha? Anong mahadlok man mo nga muingon si mama who did this? Ngano man? Wala man taon mo nangihi. Nagpataka ramang gugugyawit good. Wala man mo nangihi. Nganong di man mo makahinomdom nga wa mo nangihi. Wa man mo naghimog dautan. Nganong hudidis matakuyawan man mo ha? Ngano man? Nagjoke ra gani ko. Nagjoke ra man ko oy. Nagpataka lang si mama og yawit bebe. Mao man na si mama yawitan. Wa mo kaila sa imong mama nga mauna man ni tawo ning personality niya oy. Nya makuyawan din mo, managan, manago. Iwan ko guys, kapag magsabi talaga ako na hudidis guys, tumatago talaga sila. Iwan ko talaga. Tumatago. Nahilonggo na, kiged. Pakainin ko muna sila guys kasi ginoo ko. Hoy, binahugan kita bag. Bag, andun yung pagkain mo. Iwan ko, ayaw mo ba yun? May biluni man yun, biluni at sa pagkain mo. Mga spoiled kasi kayong lahat. Hindi ko ito yung muna yung gamit namin guys. Hindi ko pa nilagay doon sa ano. Ito, hindi ko tinatransfer doon sa dispenser namin. Kasi nasira yung ano ba, yung plastic sa ilalim. Na ano siya, na nagisi ba? Nagisi yung ano niya, babaan. Malapit sa ano niya, opening. So, hindi ko siya hindi pa kami nakabili ng replacement. Natawa ako sa biyanan ko, guys. Nakita ba ninyo yung video? Okay, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung video, ha. Yung ginawa namin ni biyanan kanina. Natawa talaga ako, guys. Natawa ako talaga sa kanya. Yung reaction niya ba? Reaction ni biyanan. Nakakatawa. Yung mga filter. Kain din ako guys kasi pagkatapos na punta tayo sa ibabaw, mag-edit ng video. Kailangan ko mag-edit para mayroon tayong magawa. Naka-edit ako this morning, natapos ko yung isang video. And ngayon, edit tayo ulit para meron tayong mga video. Next time, magdala ako ng laptop sa bahay ng sister-in-law ko kasi wala akong magawa. I mean, you know, hindi naman wala akong magawa doon. Wala na nga akong time mag-grocery. Gusto kong pumunta sa grocery pero ang ulan guys, grabe. Patungo dito, grabe yung traffic. As in, nakakalurk. And guys, ano muna tayo kakain para punta sa taas. Alas 9 na, dito dinala ko na tong laptop dito na ako nag-edit. And yun, gabi na, alas 9 na ng gabi. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong mga pinapanood ko, pero parang true story siya. 48 hours ata to. But anyway guys, tapusin ko lang tong pag-i-edit para makatulog kasi bukas aga na naman tayo. Maaga tayo bukas. So yun, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Good night. Good night. Good night.